Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop any video on CapCut using your laptop or PC. Okay, remember this tutorial is for someone who is using a laptop or a PC. Okay, so we are going to start right now. Open CapCut. I'm gonna put this video in. This one of my video. Drag it on the editing board. Okay, so from here we need to select this video, click on it. As you can see here right now, it's selected. Okay, so from here, let me remove this one here. Yeah, okay, so from here, as you can see here, this is the toolbars. Okay, so when you select the video, we're going to select resize. Okay, now it's going to open this window. From here, you can scroll from top button on the right, to the left, as you can see here. You can crop it as you want. You can also do it from the corner here. You can see. Okay. So when you're done, you click confirm. As you can see here, this is the video that I just cropped using CapCut. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.